A lot of people interested in learning about dental implants, Dr. Bilski. Let's talk about just the procedure and the cost in this one right here.
Okay, what a dental implant is a replacement for a tooth that needs to be removed or that has been lost.
Okay.
Or in some occasions, there are young kids that are born without teeth. So they may have their baby teeth, but once they get old enough, they don't have them. So the actual procedure is make a little opening into the gum, and then we can slide this little, it's like a molly screw that you would use in drywall if you're mechanical, that is inserted between the jawbone and the gum. And that sits in there for a while, like a single implant, start to finish. And I'm going to give ranges. It could be as low as $2,900 for the entire procedure.
Okay.
And depending on the circumstance, you could have a lot of reparative stuff that needs to be done. Regenerative, meaning we sometimes have to grow the bone. So that could be as high as $6,000 or $7,000. So for one tooth.
All right.
So when we get into that situation for one tooth, we do, and we talked about a terminal smile, meaning the teeth can't be fixed. And if it's the upper, we'll use that as an example. Take all the teeth out and place the dental implants the same way. And there's a certain pressure that needs to be taken into the jaw. It's called torque value. And if it's torqued at a right high value, we can put a bridge on that or a snap-on denture. And the ranges on that can be as from the low end, which is still pretty good or pretty high, $18,000 to $21,000.
Wow.
For a removable snap-on, tooth removal, and implant placement. And then the big one could be $35,000 to $40,000, which stays in your mouth. And we talk about like the spin brush and water pick.
Yeah.
Those are amazing. Significant investment. And more people choose to do that when they find themselves in a hopeless smile situation, and they can't think even to have a denture. And we have some nurses that come in and they work with some sick people that have dentures, and they're not grossed out by it, but it really like hits them in the core, the nurse, because they see these people and you have to take their teeth from them, and then how their whole body language changes because they're like now they kind of get little in the bed or in the chair versus the self-esteem with confidence smile. So the ranges, you could be $3,000 to $7,000 for a single tooth. The mid-range, if you had a terminal smile that we had to recreate it, about $18,000 to $21,000, and then the big one would be $35,000 to $40,000. And of course, depending on what's going on, it can get a lot higher than that, but most of the ranges are in that $20,000 to $35,000.
Okay, well, just good to know because no idea here.
Yeah.
Bilski Dental Group, bilskidental.com. You can check that out and see other videos just like this if you want to. And thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.